Alright guys, just did a struts, bam. I'm gonna just leave the old one on there. There's no point. These things are so strong. I don't know if that's the brand, but things really were good. Cheap on Amazon too. I think it was $22 after shipping, 17. Then, but yeah, and just so don't be that Z guy with your mess up stuff. Little updates. The rear quarter panels. Yeah, this one looks weird because this is the Bondo material, but spray painted that. 370 stocks on. That's sanded. Fenders are still the same. Sanded the hood again. Probably within the next month or so, gonna be wrapping the car. I'm gonna get a new rear bumper, the factory one. I hate the Nismos. Side skirts, the KBD polyurethane ones, because $240 for them. It's the cheapest one. You get OEM, they're $460 each for each side. I'm not getting OEM. That's so stupid. That price is way too fucking much. Gonna get the Nismo front end in. I like the Nismo front ends, and just found out this is cracked, which is not really a problem. It's just the outer frame. Everything works good. I got a new belt. There's no more belt squeak. It's so simple. If you have belt squeak and you have a D or HR, it's literally the exact same thing. You unloosen, let me point out for you. This right here, that's a tension pulley. You unloosen that bolt, it's a 14 mil. Don't take it off though, just unloosen it. And at the bottom, the 12 mil, you literally just drop it off and it literally slides right off. It's simple as that. It's literally the easiest thing you can do. But yeah, that's it. Just a little quick update for y'all. What's going on with the Z? Yeah, that's how it looks. Probably go get coilovers or just lowering springs. They make lowering springs that can go 2.5 inches lower, but I don't like the way my shocks feel, so I'm more likely to go with, I want BCs, but $1,200 for BCs, I don't know. As I spent $2,800 on bags. But yeah, I can do that. Transfer my bags from my darts to here. Interior, it needs some love, but yeah, got the strut. The struts are good cheap strut upgrade for y'all. That's the brand again, on Amazon, $22, so it's pretty good.